It is a lovely sunny day.
Nice.
Peppa and George are having a picnic.
What do you say? You're very welcome, Teddy.
George doesn't understand why Peppa thinks her toy is alive.
Here's some orange juice for you, Mr. Dinosaur.
Peppa, they are not alive, please.
Peppa! George!
Great Cloud. Animators did a good job. The sky is getting darker and darker, darker and darker, darker and darker.
It's time to sus!
Teddy! I left Teddy in the garden.
Daddy Pig will rescue Teddy.
You'd better hurry, Daddy Pig. You'd better hurry, Daddy Pig. You'd better hurry, Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig really doesn't care.
You'd better hurry, hurry.
Poor Teddy. He's soaking wet.
Let's get him dry.
Poor Teddy.
There you are, Teddy. All dry.
Chill. Wish.
Magic.
What about Mr. Poor Daddy. I'm soaking wet too.
Oh, Daddy Pig, I don't care.
Daddy Pig decided to leave the family and become homeless. A really great solution.
Oh.
You'd better hurry, Daddy Pig. 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 You'd better hurry, Daddy Pig.